Boom. Oh, the light's bright. Hey, welcome back. We got another box from Nick to open up. Emberly's joining me. I hope everybody had a great Halloween, got lots of candy, and partied if you partied. I know we're still recovering from all the candy, aren't we, Ember? That's super bright. Did you get lots of candy? Yeah, lots of candy. Did you go trick-or-treating twice? Yeah, 2 neighborhoods?
Yeah.
Yeah, was it fun?
Yeah.
Was it cold? No, it wasn't cold. It was a little cold. But anyways, how about we only got 1 box open today. I'll open it. Sorry. I'll open it and then, don't do that. I'll open it and then we'll go over kind of what the plan is, because I figured it out, or so at least you guys will know and what's upcoming in the next video, or at least with this little build. So let's dive into this box real quick. Your face is dirty. Let me see this. Got peanut butter on it. Then we got the 1 box. God's Now, right? Right, Ember, for Nick, Uncle Nick. I'm gonna open it. Ready? And then Emberly, you can get the part out. This is gonna be a short video, because obviously I only got 1 box, a little box. I don't know what's in here, just like before. Oh wow!
I got it.
So many pillars. Flip it over, Ember. Is it wrapped or dipped? I think that is dipped.
It's dipped.
I can't tell though. Oh, that's really nice. So we got another 2 pillar gauge pod plus the one right there. So we're gonna run quite a bit of gauges. Okay. Nice, very nice. All right. So we got another gauge pod from Nick. We're got a little build going on with a Civic. Now I don't know if you remember or not, but he ended up buying the one that we rebuilt the B24. I'll include the little tag up at the top over here, and I'll include the timestamp on where it's at in the video. But if you want to watch the whole thing, that's cool too. See here, so November, in about 2 weeks, November 14th-ish, we are gonna wrap that Civic in that red that you've seen. I know it looked orange on the video, but it is a very pretty red. The video does not do it justice, so I'm hoping when we do the wrap job, I can get you a really good color. So that car's getting wrapped. That's his winter beater type deal. It's getting some other stuff done to it. Obviously, we got a bunch of gauges and gauge pods to put in there. I don't know what we're doing to that part yet, but November 14th, car's getting wrapped, and you'll get a video by Thanksgiving on that. So I got to check with him and see if there's more parts coming. If there is, you'll get another video on a little update on what it is. And that pretty much is it on this one. I'll see you guys soon.